Good morning guys, it is 5 AM. Oh, we're near the end of Fashion Week. I'm so tired. Oh, Max and I are grabbing some stuff. And look, we have like overnight oats, avocado, little breakfast to go. I'm gonna order a car. So I'm going to walk the row, and I don't know, the designers are just super inspiring, right? Kate and Ashley Olsen, and it's just incredible what kind of like brand they build. But there's no social media allowed, so I will check in on you guys after the show because we need to run to another one. So yeah, there we are.
Good day.
Good day, sleep bed. There we go.
I'm not leaving, I'm gonna smoke in this.
Okay, we just finished the show. I finished the show. Hi!
Bye. Okay, I was gonna do like the thing with the
Wait, where did I order the car from?
No idea.
It is 11:57 right now, and my next show is at 1. So I have to go really fast. I'm gonna take a car there if I can find the car. I think it's 71C. Yeah, it's over there.
Do you wanna follow?
Very chic though. This is like more like this if you go to a wedding or something. You might steal the attention from the bride, but it's really nice, yeah. Little pumpkin Megan. It's so cute. You're a little pumpkin. Thank you. Okay. had like a crazy day. I had like a fitting for a show. I had like an event and everything. And at the moment I am getting ready for the Zimmerman show. I'm like half dressed, half hair makeup. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to wear. So here, this is like a little like underdress from Zimmerman. And this dress is on top, but like I just need to figure out like how to do this. So beautiful. So pretty. Let me pull this. There we go. And yay. There we go. So I thought this look is very like floral-y. So I thought for today, oh, it's just not out of focus. So I thought for today I'd do like a little bit more like smoky eyes. I did it like super quickly. I think my hair I'm just gonna like let a little bit loose like this. I just need some jewelry and then we're ready to head out. Maybe I should do like a little makeup look, like tutorial on this like makeup. I like it. I think I like this. It's like a little bit more big jewelry. Yeah, I'm gonna wear that. I like it. I'm also going to put these big ones. I kind of like these big ones lately. Every time I wear like a boring outfit and I put these like big earrings in, it looks super cute. There we go. And I have like a matching bracelets. And we're gonna double up here. Never enough jewelry. It just really makes your outfit. Then we need to grab some shoes in a bag and then we're ready to go. I'm just going to add a little bit of lipstick. This is ColourPop. What color is this? Kind of like red cherry picking. It's kind of like a lip balm / lipstick. I think it's really beautiful. I like it a lot. Oh, I like this makeup look. See the opening over there. So it's gonna be nice because a couple of my we can cross over. A couple of my friends are gonna be there as well. Victoria, she's Australian. Julia, you guys know her, she's Dutch. Yeah, that will be fun. Get it on the gram, Megan. Get it there. Get it in there. Oh, so funny. I'm gonna go back. Hi, Sanne. Hello. She just survived from like 2 weeks rafting in the canyon. And we were like texting before or both of our trips, like, how are you? Good luck. And then after again, and she was like, yeah, I got really sick.
Did we both survive? You survived, you got sick too?
What doesn't kill you
makes you
stronger.
And it was the coolest experience, right?
Yeah, it was. So we learned something new.